Ever wondered about the power of nature's own apothecary? Consider senna, or cinnamiki, a potent medicinal herb with a multitude of health benefits that are both fascinating and beneficial. Senna is a true marvel of the herbal world. Its primary characteristic is its ability to strengthen the heart. So much so that it's often referred to by herbalists as the magnificent medicine. But its benefits extend far beyond just the heart. This potent herb is known to give a natural glow to the skin, hair, and eyes. It cleanses the blood, strengthens the stomach, and opens blockages in the liver. It stimulates the intestines, increases urine output, reduces fever, and even helps prevent calcification. But how does one incorporate senna into their daily routine? It's not as a tea, as one might expect with a medicinal herb, but rather, it's the ground leaves that hold the key. Imagine this: 30 grams of senna mixed with 15 grams of thyme, ground together and combined with 15 grams of mint. Sprinkle half or 1 teaspoon of this mixture over your evening meal, or swallow it with water after eating. The results? A strengthened heart and a cleansed system. Another use for senna involves an equal mix of senna, coriander, and thyme. Ground together and sprinkled over your evening meal, this combination offers a host of health benefits. You could also mix ground senna with honey and consume half or 1 teaspoon after meals. Or consider a blend of 1 tablespoon ground cumin, 2 tablespoons ground fenugreek, 1 tablespoon ground senna, the juice of 3 to 4 lemons, 150 to 200 grams of olive oil, and 3 crushed garlic cloves. Consuming 1 tablespoon of this mixture with your meal, or spread on bread, will help ensure regular bowel movements. Half a teaspoon of ground senna swallowed with water after meals, or the same amount of senna leaves, chewed and swallowed, can also be beneficial. Senna tea can be consumed occasionally, but those who need to use senna regularly would do better to use the ground mixtures. Remember, the amount you use should be adjusted according to your body's response. If senna or one of its mixtures causes discomfort or stimulates the intestines excessively, it's best to reduce the dosage. With occasional breaks, it's possible to use senna for a lifetime. In a hadith narrated by Anas bin Malik, it is said, "These 3 things are a cure for everything: senna, cumin, and black seed." If you're using senna as a laxative, it should be taken with or after meals. If it's being used for general treatment, it should be taken before meals. In summary, senna or cinnameki is a powerful medicinal herb with a multitude of benefits. It strengthens the heart, cleanses the blood, aids digestion, and offers numerous other health benefits. Incorporating senna into your routine could be just the natural boost your body needs. So, why not give it a try?